Welcome back, folks. Today, we are going to discuss the topic of an $800 loan with no credit check. You are most likely in a situation where you need urgent money, but you don't have any cash on you. You also can't get quick loans from banks because of your low credit. In such times, you can apply for a loan from the lending platform, as they can provide you with $800 loans faster and easier. Let's talk more about it in the video. To get to the official website of the lending platform, you can check out the description below. So, without any delay, let's get started. Top 5 $800 loan no credit check. Viva Payday Loans. Viva Payday Loans are a reliable option for those who need $1,000 fast and easily. They simplify the process by not requiring a hard credit check, making it perfect for people who need quick cash. Their online application process is straightforward, and they offer flexible repayment terms along with competitive interest rates on their platform. To apply for Viva Payday Loans, you need to complete the application form and pass their eligibility criteria, and then the funds will be quickly deposited into your account. Fund Finance. Fund Finance is known for its speedy services when you need $800 quickly. They usually process your loan amounts within 24 hours after approval, which is great for urgent needs. Their loan application is simple and they don't do any type of credit checks on your credit card, making it accessible for most of the borrowers who are looking to get a loan from their platform. But to apply for a loan at the Fund Finance, you need to have US citizenship, a valid ID proof, a US bank account, and be above the age of 18 years. If you meet these eligibility criteria, then you can apply for the Fund Finance lending platform. Big Buck Loans. Big Buck Loans provides a user-friendly platform that can easily be accessed by any type of borrower from different credit card backgrounds. They offer loans with minimal paperwork, and approvals are generally completed within 24 to 48 hours. Their flexible loan amounts and repayment schedule make it easier to manage your payments and help you get the loan amount faster and quicker. To qualify, you need to have proof of income and provide a valid US citizenship ID. However, the application process is simple and straightforward, making it easy to complete. Credit Clock. Next on the list, we have the Credit Clock platform. They specialize in providing loans of $800 with an easy application process. They don't require a credit check, which makes it easily accessible for all the no credit check borrowers. Their approval times are within 24 hours, so if you want to have a quick approval process, they are a great choice. Also, Credit Clock provides competitive interest rates to their borrowers that every borrower can afford. In addition, they also provide long repayment tenures for all of their borrowers, making it one of the great options to get $800 loans. Prestamose. Last but not least, we have the Prestamose lending platform. It offers a smooth process for getting an $800 loan with no credit check. They eliminate a lot of paperwork, allowing you to apply online with ease. With their clear terms and competitive interest rates, they provide a stress-free borrowing experience for borrowers. Typically, the approval times at Prestamose are within 24 to 48 hours, so it is a great choice for users who are looking to get quick loans for any type of urgent need. Also, the funds will be transferred directly to the borrower's bank account quickly for easy access. How to apply for a $800 loan no credit check. The application process to get an $800 loan is quite simple, but you need to consider some things before you start applying for loans on a. Here is a complete breakdown of what to do and how you should apply for an $800 loan with no credit check. First and foremost, you need to analyze your present financial situation and know what type of money you need to get out of it and what kind of money you can get. Based on that analysis, you need to start collecting all the documents related to your income, identity, etc. Once you gather all the documents and know the amount you need, you can start picking the lending platforms. This is the most important step of all the application processes, which is to pick the right lending platform according to your needs. You need to check the approval times, withdrawal times, interest rates, etc. before selecting a lending platform, and you need to make sure they are aligning with your needs and requirements. Once you select the right lending platform according to your needs, now it is time to go to the lending platform website, select the loan amount, and complete the application process. Once the application process is complete, you will connect with a potential lender who can get you the loan amount you need. Next, you both agree on a loan agreement specifying the loan term, interest rates, etc. Sign off the agreement, and within 24 hours, your loan amount will be directly deposited into your account. Conclusion. To wrap up the video, lending platforms can be a great help to you if you are going through a financial crisis and can't find any loan from traditional banks or other lending parties. But before you apply to a lending platform, make sure to check all the related details about the lending platform, such as the APRs, tenures, etc. For an easy and quicker process, check out our list of the top 10 best $800 loan lending platforms. To get to the official website of the lending platform, check out the description below. That's it for today's video. See you in a new one.